Hello everybody, I hope you're doing good. I would like to use this as an example, to be able to clearly explain how the Bulk SMS platform works effectively. I hope this will clearly guide you on how to actually send the SMS. When you want to send a customized SMS, for example, you are sending a birthday SMS, with the names of the people inclusive, like the ones that they send from the banks, that they tell you happy birthday, Bukola, that you can have all of those stuffs inside. You first of all, you go to the website, www.gbillingsms.com, and you log into the Get Service account, which I have already given to you. We have the account name as PCU, which we had already registered earlier. So when you log into the account, by the time you log into the account, you go to your drop down box here. You click on the http://xml/excel API. Then you go to Excel plugin, because we are trying to because normally we use the Excel sheet to send those SMS, which can make it much more easier for you. So you click on Excel plugin, then you click on this Excel plugin, then which will enable you to download the Excel plugin API directly into your Excel sheet. So after you have downloaded it, you open it so that it can enable you, then you run it so that it can enable you to install it directly into your Excel sheet. So after you have installed it on your Excel sheet, you go to your Excel sheet. We have something like this, which you have already typed the numbers on a particular column, and you have already typed the names on a particular column. To test this, we are going to be using like the ones that will send as birthday messages with their names inclusive. So, but first and foremost, you have to to go to your settings so that it can enable you to use your Excel sheet from your system anytime you want to use it to send SMS. But please note, while using this, you have to ensure that the laptop or any system you are using is working with the internet, because it works with the internet. So you go to your settings, you click on user. In this URL, you type this http //www.smsc.gbillingsms.com. Then the username you put PCU. Then the password you put PCU, and you click OK. So the settings is already done. So you don't need to do this anytime you want to send SMS again. It has successfully been set automatically. So then let's do this. So we now go to I've already put the birthday SMS here, for example. So then you now click on send SMS. So it brings out something like this. For example, the sender ID, we put GIC. Then we have the mobile numbers on the B column. So you click here, and you click on column B. So wherever you have the birthday column, assuming you have the phone numbers on column C, you click column C. If you have the phone numbers on column A, you click column A. But with this that we're trying to do, the phone numbers are on column B, so you click on column B, and you come into the box which you type your SMS. So we are using this as a template. So you copy this happy birthday, you copy it, and you come here, you paste it. So you leave a space. So we want to put all the names that we have, all the names that we have in column A, we are sending to every one of them, and we want their names to appear. So let me go back GIC, column E, phone numbers. So then we type that happy birthday. So we want all the names in column A to appear in his SMS, because we are sending to all of them at once. So the names are in column A, so you double click A. Where you have add field, you double click A, full stop, and you leave a space. Then you will come to our message. So we now copy the rest of the SMS. We paste it here. So to be sure that you already have all the numbers listed here, you go to preview, so that we can be sure that we have done it correctly. It's popping up. Yeah, so as you can see, you can see that it has already included their names in the SMS. Like for example, happy birthday Oluwatuyi Olarewaju, we pray God's and so. So now we have all the names included in the SMS. So you click OK. So if you need to add signature, you can just click add signature. You put whatever signature you want to add here. So then you click send SMS. So automatically it will send the SMS with their names inclusive to everybody in this list. So same thing goes after sending. Same thing goes with wedding anniversary message, first timers message, new converts message, whatever message you want to send, and you want their names inclusive. So this is what we are going to use to send it. So then for the other ones that you do not want their names inclusive, probably you just want to send a general SMS. So just when you log into the account, just click on compose SMS. You don't need to touch this, because we are sending it through the Alpha Plus route. So it's automatically there, so you don't need to touch this. You don't need to touch this other one. Then this where you have the sender ID. For example, you're sending to get service members. So you just type get service. Why I shorten this is this box cannot take more than 11 characters. So please note that. So you put your sender ID, that's the name you want to appear when you're sending the message as the sender. So then your numbers, you put your numbers here, 069436275. So then after each number, you put a comma, you put the other numbers. Or you can use this template. You can make the numbers to be on a straight line like this. So it works in both ways. So you can put a comma after each number, or you let the numbers, be lined on a straight line like that. So whichever way the message is to send. And you can also use this format 234 8069 3625. You put your comma after each number, or you let the numbers come on a straight line like that. So then you type your SMS here. Please note that when you are typing your SMS, there is a message count here that tells you whether your message has exceeded, one page. So while you are typing the SMS, we all know that for a one-page SMS, it takes 160 characters. So which you will be seeing as you are typing the characters. It keeps changing here. So you keep seeing your characters here. So you see the message count here. If it enters a 2-page, you see 2 message counts. So that's it for that. So then if you need to put a signature, you can just put maybe something like achieve greatness. And please note that any character that you are putting in the signature box, it adds it up to the one we have here, which will make it a 160 character for a 1-page message. Then if you want to schedule, for example, you want to schedule this message, you don't need to click this message will be sent as a flash to receiver. Like for example, you want to schedule that you want the message to be delivered by 12 p.m. tomorrow. You click this and you click on tomorrow is Tuesday, then 12 p.m. you click this. Then please note that you need to click this remove duplicate entries when you are sending to multiple numbers. Why you should do this is in case you have 2 numbers that are mistakenly typed in your number database, it will automatically remove all of those numbers and send to only one of them. So please note, when you are sending bulk messages, click on remove duplicate entries. Then you click on send SMS. And it asks you, do you want to proceed to Alpha Plus? You click on OK. So you can see message sent successfully. If you need to know whether the message has been sent, you go to your delivery report. So that other one that we send a scheduled message. So you now come here, pending SMS. It will be under pending SMS. So you can see this is the message that we sent. That we just sent. So it's going to deliver it by tomorrow. That's by 12 p.m. tomorrow. So I hope I've been able to explain clearly how the system works. So in case we have any other questions, when we have a meeting, you can all compile your questions and I'll be readily available to attend to any questions. Thank you, everybody, and I quite appreciate your patience to go through all of this. Thank you.